You definitely don't want to replace soffit and fascia and gutters before a roof because they're going to be putting ladders all over it and they're going to be ripping shingles out. Order of operation, and it always will go with this even when I suggest when we do heavy end remodels. I always tell the client, let's start from the roof line, go down to the inside. So you're going to start with your roof. Your next thing you're going to do is where all this raw wood is, for an example, on this house, and other houses might have pre-existing painted wood or pre-existing metal. You're going to rip all that off. Then you're going to replace all that. You're going to replace all the metal, all the soffit, and then you're going to move to the siding next. That way you're working your way down. When you're finally finished with the siding, the very last thing is the gutters will go up, and that's the order of operation. So really, in my book, it goes roof, removal of existing rotten wood, if there's any, or removing of existing metal, and then it's replacement of metal, soffit, then siding, then gutters. And in between that, if the project calls for it, as you're doing the siding, you would do the windows coinciding.